Picture this, a renewable energy source that's reliable, operates in stealth mode, and packs more power than it's given credit for. And the best of all, it sits beneath the sea, so no problems of giant wind farms showing up behind your house. That's tidal energy for you, and it's going to be a big hit in the renewable energy world. So what makes tidal energy so sexy? Let's break it down. So first of all, it's predictable. So unlike wind energy, which is subject to climate dynamics and is very hard to predict, tidal energy has been on schedule for basically forever. So no surprises here. It's the renewable energy technology that you can rely upon. And consistency is sexy, right? Next, it operates in stealth mode. So while other renewable technologies may make noise or take up vital land space, tidal turbines do their work silently and hidden beneath the tides. So no competition for land use here, just clean power coming directly from the sea. And finally, let's talk about longevity. So fixed conventional tidal turbines can keep going for decades. And so once installed, they can keep producing energy with very low maintenance costs. And some of your more modular ones also feature the same low maintenance costs, while also being compact in size, allowing you the flexibility of deploying them in many different areas. So, why isn't everyone talking about this? Well, it's a bit of an exclusive club, and the solution may not be for everyone. First, there's the price tag. Tidal infrastructure isn't cheap, and if you're looking to build a conventional tidal power plant, then you'll have to lay down some serious amount of cash to be able to build it. And this makes it a serious obstacle for any nation considering tidal energy, because other more cost-efficient options might be out there, such as solar plants. And then there's the environmental side. So while this is clean power, new research has stated that the deployment of these tidal power plants can disrupt the marine ecosystem in those places. And finally, it's a bit location sensitive. So only certain coastlines in the world can actually allow the deployment of tidal energy, and you need the right mix of water flow as well as the structure of the coastline to be able to make this happen. But where tidal energy does work, it's been making waves. No pun intended. The largest tidal power station in the world is called the Sihwa tidal power plant in South Korea. It has a capacity of 254 megawatts and is an elegant example of repurposing old infrastructure to develop new power capabilities. The tidal turbines have been installed on top of a 30-year-old seawall constructed for flood mitigation and irrigation purposes. These 10 turbines have been installed on top of the seawall and are now used to create power. But more recently, companies like Orbital Marine Power are changing the game in terms of what tidal power infrastructure looks like. Orbital has been developing and innovating these slick boat-like floating structures which contain twin turbines. And these structures are quite compact and they can be deployed at any point near the coastline, allowing you to place them in the most efficient manner. One of its deployments is called the Orbital O2, which was deployed up north in the UK in Scotland in Orkney Islands. And it has the largest and most powerful tidal turbine in the world. And these are just the beginnings. Orbital and many other companies like Orbital have set their sights on even larger projects, and they're ready to develop tidal energy to its full potential. So, what's next for tidal energy? Well, as technology advances and costs reduce, tidal energy is set to become a bigger player in the energy mix in the world. New research states that the levelized cost of electricity, which is a cost per plant to produce 1 unit of electricity, is set to reduce by nearly 70% for tidal energy as more and more capacity is deployed, using economies of scale, of course. And with global energy needs soaring, as well as land use becoming more competitive, the world is turning towards the ocean for its clean energy needs. And this might just be the moment that tidal energy rides the waves to success. What do you think? Is this the future of power, or do you think this is just a cool concept? And if you're interested in learning about the hottest in the renewable space, then be sure to like and subscribe and ride the wave with us at What's Next. See you next time.